week. We
Okay.
had all these red days. We were in the
so
60s and the 50s, and then what happened yesterday? Didn't get out of the 30s. That is typical of the end of December, not the mid to late part of November. So we've been running below average now the past couple of days. We're going to do that again today, but notice we've got some bright sunshine in the forecast today across southern New England down to the mid-Atlantic states. So if you're traveling in the Northeast overall, you're looking okay today. If you're traveling through the middle of the country, there is a storm around the Chicago area with rain, snow north of there, thunderstorms down to the Gulf Coast. That's kind of the area that we are watching today. The storm is pulling out of the Rockies with some wintry weather, and there will be a wintry side up toward the northern Great Lakes. This is a storm that we're going to be watching for us on Thanksgiving Day. It's not a big storm, but it is going to bring in some light precipitation, especially during the first half of the day. In the meantime, we've got our storm from Sunday and yesterday still spinning to our north, so it's still kicking up the winds a little bit. You can see there are some patches of clouds too, especially closer to the coastline, and the temperatures this morning, well, they're cold. It's in the 20s and lower 30s, but that wind is still active enough that we're getting some gusts up over 20 miles per hour. So the wind chill is a factor as you're stepping out. You do want to dress for the teens over the interior. It feels like it's in the lower 20s closer to the coastline. So wind chill throughout the day. Didn't get out of the 20s yesterday. It's going to be stuck in the 20s this morning, but after lunchtime, the wind's not as strong as yesterday. And with the sunshine and temperatures warming up, wind chills will be running in the 30s. But overall, it's a more comfortable day than yesterday. Still on the colder side, though. Looking for a high of 42 in Boston, mid-30s out through the Worcester Hills. Otherwise, lots of lower 40s down toward the Cape as well. So a little better than yesterday. Cold tonight. We're back down in the 20s, most of the suburbs, even below freezing in Boston tonight with a clearing sky and a lighter wind. High pressure right on top of us tomorrow. So tomorrow looks like a really nice day if you're traveling. However, we watch this system, and as we get toward Wednesday night and first thing on Thanksgiving morning, cold air is going to be in place as that precipitation moves on in. Little strip of some snow may come in first thing in the morning. It looks very light, could linger through about lunchtime, and then as the temperatures warm in the afternoon, we're going to be left with just a couple of rain showers. Doesn't look like much in terms of any accumulation. A coating to under an inch of snow, especially out through Worcester County. Could be a little bit more than an inch out into western Massachusetts. So not a big impact in terms of how much precipitation, but if you are going to be out and about on Thanksgiving during the morning hours, some of those football games could be left with some snow. But traveling tomorrow across the country again, pretty quiet overall. Notice the temperatures on Friday into the weekend still stuck in the 40s. Friday night into early Saturday, another chance at some rain. And right now, Sunday is looking okay. So